You guys know he's an African.
Abdullah, you stupid.
I'm American.
I am from North. No, I am from South America. You from North America, if you know. Record it. Record it. I have a word.
Don't speak
Black
about
Ops.
Black Ops.
Black Ops 3 will come soon. I swear.
Yeah, it will come after 1 year.
Not 1 year. There were maybe
He doesn't know.
100 years. No, maybe 6 months, like that.
Yes. And
But
you're
yeah,
going-
nigga,
You're a nigga.
I know. What do you want to do now? Made big boss.
Be kill internet. Don't give a fuck about anything. Okay, fight, come.
No, I don't want to fight with you.
I'm gonna-
Ah!
I'm going to murder him. If you don't know, I'm a rapist. I'm going to rape you.
No!
Bye bye, guys.
No!
I'm gonna.
Ah!